Hello everyone, welcome to Honaris Arts and Lifestyle channel. In this video, I'm going to tell you how to do an arch like this in such a way that we can keep the diyas for Diwali decoration. So we are going to do the arch for the Lakshmi idol like this. This arch that you are able to see here, it is actually made to show you all different ways in which a sari can be draped or different ways of alankaram that we can make for Lakshmi idol. The process to do this kind of a structure will be coming up in my upcoming videos, but for this particular video, because I need the measurement in such a way that I should be able to drape this sari even after I keep the arch, that is why we are going to keep this structure as a measurement. I understand that many of you don't have this kind of a structure yet, but just imagine that this dress is going to be in an umbrella shape. So approximately take that as a measurement and you can make the arch. The items that we require for making this arch is plywood sheets. Okay, so if you don't have plywood sheets and if it is too late to get a plywood sheet, you can as well use the slabs of cement. Okay, so you can as well do it on cement and you can keep it ready. That's not a problem. So over here what I have done is I've taken about 1 inch of a plywood sheet. So there are 2 plywood sheets which are pasted on top of each other, and I have used laminate to cover this entire piece of wood. Okay, and also on an average I have got 3 holes drilled because I wanted a carpenter to do it. That is why I have got it pre-drilled and kept it ready. So we are going to need 2 such bases which is made of either wood or cement. Okay, whatever substance you use, make sure that this is heavy and it can withhold a lot of weight because we are going to put a lot of diyas around it. So apart from this and this wooden planks, we will also be needing the aluminium wires. Preferably see if you can get a golden color. If not, just use the normal aluminium color, and then you can use a gold spray paint which you are going to get it in any stationery shop or in any paint shop to color it with gold. Okay, so we are going to need 2 sizes. One is a thick one. You can as well use the same wire which we have used for the structure of the dress. Okay, the same set, the thicker one and the thinner one. It is these 2 that we need. Again, please make sure that this is not very elastic. Okay, if it is too elastic, you cannot easily bend it like this. And this should be strong enough so that it is capable of holding a lot of diyas. And don't worry too much about the strength, because even if you take this much, it should do, because ultimately we are going to put 3 pieces of wire in each one of these holes. So these 3 pieces of wire is going to support each other. Okay, in that way you are going to get strength to this. I'm not going to put anything to stick the wires into these holes. The holes are drilled somewhere until here. Okay, which means it's 1.5 inch inside. Until that it is being drilled so that this wooden plank gives a good structure for the arch. So the first and the foremost thing is keep this a little far, like somewhere around 2 to 3 inches far. Okay, and the second one, when you take the first set of wire, that is you will have to take from this extreme hole. Okay, that is when you keep it this side, you have to take it from this hole and you have to connect it to this hole over here. Okay, so when you are doing it, this measurement that you have taken will become the second arch here. Okay, so according to that you will have to adjust the height of this arch. Like if I keep this distance, I feel like this may be a little too tall for the Lakshmi idol, so I can just pull it a little down and make the first arch come to this length. So as you can see, the first arch is ready. We will be shaping this a little later. It is not mandatory that we need to shape everything now. And don't worry about all these curves because we are going to decorate on top of this again. Okay. So after that, you can shape the first arch like this. Okay. And then start shaping the second arch. So after having a rough structure like this, we can connect the arches using the thinner string. Now before connecting these two arches, let us also put the wire for the third arch, okay? And when I say third arch, I am actually talking about this particular hole in both the planks. So this third arch that we are making, okay, that should come in between these two, okay, that is the height that we are looking for. So as you can see here, this wire which is at the back side is coming in between the first two wires, okay, this is how we want it. Now we'll start connecting all of these three wires using the smaller wire. Okay, so after making these arch structures, I have not pasted it into these holes because I want to reuse this plank to do a lot of other decorations to show you all. But what you should be doing is you should actually be gluing these wires which form the arc into the plank or the cement. Okay, so once that is fixed, use the thinner wire to connect these three arches in a triangle shape like this. And this you will have to do it all along. Okay. So here is the final structure. So once you start connecting these three wires, this is how it's going to look like. Don't worry about the zigzag or about the shape of the structure, that is somewhere it is bent, somewhere it is not and all. The reason why it is in this shape is because when we were doing it, we did a bit of a trial and error method, and that is how all these things have been bent. But if you look at this video and you do it properly, I don't think you should have so much of a problem. Okay, and anyway, don't worry, even if you get like this, which is not straight, which is bent and all, don't worry at all about it. Make sure that this is sturdy, okay, because we are going to keep diyas at all of these places, okay. And this width that you are taking between these two wires, it's about 2 inches, okay. So take the 2 inches at the back side also in the middle. The reason why you need to take these measurements is because you can use these electric candles which are available in the market. I purchased this from Amazon and it looks like a real candle, okay, and we will be placing it on top of this one. So if you are doing it with the correct measurements, you actually don't need any separate support to place these candles, okay. And if you're planning to keep this type of a candle, then the height that you are going to keep between the two steps will be 3 inches. So the width is 2 inches and the height is 3 inches, okay. So let me just show you how to decorate this one. There are multiple ideas that you can use to decorate this. I'm showing only one idea for now, but in the future I'll be using this to show you lots and lots of ideas, okay. But please make sure you're not using a real candle for this, because all the materials that you're going to use to decorate this arch may actually catch fire. So you have to be really careful. Only use the electric candles. I will also be showing you how the same stand can be used to keep the real diyas as well. So that will be coming in the upcoming videos. So today I will be decorating this arch using this kind of a plastic creeper. Okay, something that is readily available in any of the artificial plants showroom. Okay, what we are going to do is we are going to wrap this entire structure using this kind of a creeper. Please note that I am not using any tapes or any threads to tie it. Okay, it's very simple and you can just do it in a minute. So here you see, it's so simple to decorate this. You can use any type of creepers, or even you get the cereal sets in which there are flowers and there are leaves. That also you can actually use to cover this particular structure. Okay, even that will look very pretty. Now let us place the candles.